Okay, so where were we? Oh, we were looking at the rubric for the project. This right here is the techSteps rubric that they provide for everybody. Note that this just grades the kids on their technology proficiency. The criteria over here to the left, then following your high performance standards, your medium performance standards, and your low performance standards. Uh, this right here, the 10-9 is the goal that we're shooting for everybody, which is a good reason. I like the setup of this because that's the first thing as the kids read left to right. That's the first one that they see is the high standard. We don't want them shooting for this over here. We want them shooting for this over here. Okay. Once you've read that and you've got an idea of what the kids are going to be tested on, I'm going to go ahead and minimize that. We're going to look at the model lessons which are provided for us, which are lessons that were done by West Virginia teachers for School Kit. We'll go ahead and click on the story. And right here it gives you the whole lesson plan, subject, time, big idea, purpose. There's some links to some additional resources right here. Standards and objectives at the bottom. Read this, check it out, see if it goes with what you're doing, if there's a way for you to incorporate it into a project or a lesson that you already teach. If not, you don't have to use this. This is not required. But you can probably model the lesson after something that you're already doing. If you can use the lesson, great. If you want to change it and do something else, that's fine as well. Remember, you can modify any of this stuff. You can change it for special needs students. If you have different diverse learners in your classroom, you can change anything about this except for the technology aspect of it. You can't change the technology stuff, but you can go ahead and change your lesson, and if you can back it up with CSOs, even better. After we've looked at this, we want to open up the student activity book. In the student activity book, this will actually open up techSteps itself. Mine has a tendency to pop open in my other window, but this is the book that the kids will go through and read. I'm going to go ahead and make mine just a little bit bigger. And what you need to do as a teacher, before you assign this to your kids, you're going to have to take a little time and go through this as if you were the student. You need to sit down, read it, go from tab to tab, see what the kids see. This is the table of contents, which is accessible by this button right here, table of contents button. And you can browse through using your left and right arrows to see what the kids get to see. Anything that's a green link, you can click on, and it will pop up a little window that explains what it is. You can read and close that. We'll click from page to page. What will you talk about? Another green clickable. Ideas. And the whole idea behind this is so you can go through as the student to troubleshoot to see if there are any things that bother you, if there are questions that you have. And if you have questions at this point, we can troubleshoot this before we actually start the project. So I could have time to schedule some time to sit down with you and go over this to see what it is about this project that may be difficult for the kids to understand, or maybe just difficult for you to understand. And then we can work our way through it. Now remember, when you're working on these projects, I will be in the building and available to help. So don't hesitate to ask. Just try to schedule it a little bit early. Once you finish through this, take your notes, go over them, come back to me, and we'll talk about this a little more next week. This ends it for tutorial number 2, how to find and open up techSteps, going through the project, checking the rubrics. The next installment, we will talk about the assessment piece. Thanks, guys. Bye.